Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fly the Piper Cherokee or Piper Archer, basically the same plane. I've checked the oil, the fuel level by looking into the tanks, and everything looks fine. So now I have to take it out of the hangar. Yeah, that was some tough work. I never had to do that at SAS, but it's different. Piper Cherokee or Archer is a very straightforward plane, a fixed propeller, fixed landing gears, you can't forget to extend them, and yeah, it's very easy to fly. It has a yoke, not a stick. The good thing with this plane is that it's reasonably cheap to fly. I can fly 3 circuits in 10 minutes and it will cost me around $25. That's perfectly acceptable. So let's go. Checklist performed, which is very simple. You put on the battery and the alternator and set the parking brakes and put the mixture to rich, and here we go. First a little primer because it's cold now. Check the area is clear so you don't hit anyone. Here we go.
Okay, let's go. Giving a little thrust and pulling the yoke a little off so I get the nose wheel a little easier on the ground. Then we had in there, maybe do the any run up here just before the runway.
Ja, Filip Vera, klart ställa upp. Farmen då är du.
Fox India.
Och du är ensam ombord?
One aboard, yes. So that was any run-up, checking the magnetos because it's a twin spark system and you need to check that they work independently. Lining up on the runway now, I have one step on the flap and controls. And lining up like that, checking the gyro with the compass. Okay, we're ready to go. Fox India ready.
Fox India cleared in right hand traffic circuit, 11 right, 1,500 feet or below, squawk 6724.
6724, right hand circuit, 1500 or below, Fox India.
Fox India, 1 on right, clear for takeoff.
1 on right, clear for takeoff, Fox India. Let's go. I'm advancing the throttle, pulling the yoke a little bit off, watching for 60 knots. Here we go, lift off. Super easy, you don't have to worry about the prop, just throttle and the stick. And 500 feet, fuel pump off, landing height off. Now I'm turning right. And retracting the takeoff flap, increasing the speed a bit. Trimming is down here, so I get 0 pressure in the yoke. And turning right. Reducing thrust a bit, because you need to reduce the speed to be able to extend the flaps again, and I do it now. Flaps, mixture, carburetor heat, fuel pump, landing light. Fox India downwind.
Fox India wind 120 degrees, 11 knots, 11 right, clear touch and go.
1 right, clear touch and go, Fox India. So, and checking where the runway is, turning right, a bit more flaps. This will be great. And I bank the plane with the yoke like this, down with the nose, up with the nose. A little bit more thrust. Super easy. A little trim, too much speed, I reduce the thrust. Then watch the speed indicator here. So 1 red light and 1 white, then I'm on the glide slope, just perfect. 1 more flap and no carburetor heat if I need to go around again, and I will do because it's a touch and go. Okay, Reducing thrust now. The yoke a bit to the left, to aft, and make a soft down. Oh, that was great. Flaps to take off again, and here I go again. More thrust. Super simple plane to fly. Watching for 60 knots, and I pull the yoke a bit off. Here we go. And a little bit with the rudder, and a little bit with the yoke to the right and left. 500 feet, fuel pump off, landing light, more speed, and retracting flaps. Turning right for downwind. Short circuits is really fun. I can make 3 circuits in 10 minutes, and that's really fun. Now I check where the runway is. I have the aero club down there. The altitude is fine, speed is fine. Fuel pump, landing light, and first step with the flap. A little bit trim. Fox India, downwind, 11 right.
Clear Foxtrot India, 11 right, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, 11 right, Fox India. One red, one white on the glide slope indicator. Checking the speed again. Clean flying, which I can see here. Off with the carburetor heat, so I can go up again with the full thrust. Okay, now reducing thrust. The yoke a bit off. And here we have it, close. Oh, there it is, soft, yeah. First step with the flap. And here we go again. Easy and really fun. Next time will be full stop landing. This is super simple and great fun. And now you know how to do it. You control with this one, you know, left, right, left, and with the pedals too. Fox India, downwind, 11 right.
Fox India, clear to land.
Clear to land, Fox India. It's tight circuit and beautiful weather. It wasn't supposed to be that good today. I have 2 white lights for the glide, then I can descend and landing flaps. Watching for the speed, and this is going to be a full stop landing. You have to watch the speed all the time and adjust with the thrust and keep the glide slope. A little bit bumpy weather here now. More thrust. Now we're trying to make another soft landing. Reducing thrust. A little bit lower. Here it is. Here, very close. Oh, yeah. It was okay.
Foxtrot India, taxi to Ljungbyheds Flygklubb.
Ljungbyheds Flygklubb, Fox India. So I'm talking English with the tower so you can follow what I'm doing. Fuel pump off, landing light off. So now...
Ljungbyhed stänger.
God kväll. And now I'm gonna shut the radio.
Because when you shut the engine down, you have to shut the mechanics off first. So let's use the Det var det. Everything off. Great fun. Now I put on this one. Is for safety, so it locks the magnetos to off, so the engine never starts involuntarily. So it's a safety feature. If you see this one in the plane, you know it's safe because the engine cannot fire up. Hope you have enjoyed it.